Hello guys. Hello again. Mhm. Welcome to our afternoon session, US session basically today. Uh, which strategy we're gonna use? I'm not sure yet because we got some important news coming up later on. So first of all, we're gonna check our microeconomic calendar and we're gonna see what's going on. And after that, maybe we can find some opportunities on the market. Maybe we can use it. We still got some time because the news, what I'm talking about, they are coming up later around 8 p.m. My local time. So in about 5.5 hours. Yellow, Darius, yellow. Hello again. So yes, let's start from our microeconomic calendar. Yesterday we had a lot of activity on the market, especially on gold. Not only gold, but you know, actually gold dropped down nearly 1,000 pips. So that is a lot. That was related to, of course, elections in US. So did you catch anything yesterday, or maybe you were just watching the situation on the market? Mm, please let me know. Uh, if you trade yesterday and how it was. Any profits, any losses? All right, guys, macroeconomic calendar, it's here. I am using global premium econodate.com. You can use any other website. Uh, check macroeconomic use like Forex Factory, Investing.com. There are a few other websites as well. This one is quite good. That's why I am using this website. So today it's Thursday, the 7th of November. Guys, the 7th of November, and we got some. One second, I got the wrong time. Wrong time. Why is that? No, 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 no. Something is wrong over here. 2 years on, 2 years off. GMT time. Submit. One more thing, I need to check something. Why is that? Oh, come on. Economic calendar. Man, something wrong with the time over here. It doesn't matter. Now it should be okay. This is 8 p.m. my local time. So 2:30, 3 minutes ago, we had US jobless climb. So we're gonna take a look at our charts. And I'm talking about FOMC announcement today. That is related to interest rate decisions in United States. So this is one of the most important news we can have. So be careful, guys. If you have uh, any positions open before that time, you should close them or at least secure them. Okay, because we might expect some high volatility during those hours. Darius, good, took it out yesterday from my pocket. Luckily, we still have Bitcoin, which always giving back. It's good for you because I'm not trading on Bitcoin, but I know a lot of people do, and you can get nice profits on Bitcoin for sure, for sure. Um, David. Hi, David. 2 seconds because my phone is ringing. Not sure who is that. Uh, um, Hi, David. 1 second, 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So yeah, I was talking about news, very important news coming up later on, 8 p.m. So guys, remember to be careful during those hours. Where is my YouTube? Over here. Okay, David is with us. I spoke to David today. David is one of the traders who were in the top 10 in trading tournament. He did very well. Congratulations once again, David. So, David, are you trading during high volatility, uh, during actually during news, or before news? Because sometimes I try to not trade before this kind of news if it's very important, like non-farm payrolls or FOMC announcement together with interest rate decisions. I usually take a break, but we're gonna check what's going on the market, if we can use it. If not, that's fine. You know, we might have short session. Uh, that's fine as well. 8 p.m. today, there is a chance to use one of our patterns to open position during news. But remember, you cannot do that on funded accounts. So if you go to real account, you can do that on real account. But remember about the spread. Spread is quite high. So you might be surprised sometimes. Darius, okay, I was in 5 or 6 place just to make sure I didn't took any rewards for others who need it more. I'm burned mine account last day. Oh no, Darius, why did you do that? Last day, you should you should leave your trades or secure them. Come on, why did you burn your account? You took too much risk, probably. Uh, but I got news for you guys. David already know that the biggest tournament is coming up, the biggest tournament ever. None other prop firm companies done that before. So we're gonna have the huge tournament with the biggest prizes ever. Trust me, it's gonna be the biggest trading tournament in the history. And we will be holding that tournament on January. So you still got time to prepare yourself. 2 months left. So guys, I hope you can do it. I hope you can do it. All right, let's move on to our charts. We're gonna use my founding accounts platform, mm, because I know some of you got problem with trading views, so maybe it's a good idea to show you how it works. It's working better now. Few more things like to improve, but by the end of the year, everything should work perfectly. I'm not experienced enough to trade during the news. Yes, you can practice on demo account, but on demo account is a little bit different because there's not the spread is not so high as it is on real account. As I told you earlier, I keep my risk low. Yes, maybe it's a good idea to stay away, stay away from the news. You can earn quick money, but also you can lose your money. But usually I try to catch uh, 3 to 1, so I usually risk 1%. During the news, spread is high, so it's good to lower your risk. If you're gonna make like 0.5%, with the spread, it might be 1%. So it's good idea to set 0.5%, 3 to 1, and you can get nice profits. Okay, guys. So what do we have today? Let me just check one more thing. Okay. We might start from, hmm, maybe S&P 500. Why not? S&P 500. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes time frame. Body, no borders. Yes, should be better now. Okay. All right, so this is US 500. Let me put the watermark so you can see better. Canvas watermark. Yes, it should be visible. Oh, all right. US 500, 5 minutes time frame. What do we have today on the chart? We can add exponential moving average as well. Moving average exponential to 21. Okay. Exponential moving average might help us to make a decision. Uh, so basically, first of all, we need to define what kind of day we are dealing with. Is it range day? Is it trend day? We can check the first and the second swing and see if there are any reactions on our expansions. And also we can try to find rotation channel because looks like the price was moving up in the rotation channel. So this is quite good information for us. We need to check where is the first leg and the second leg measure move. But if we're gonna break through this rotation channel, we're gonna there is a chance that we're gonna go lower. So we will see. We need to check few more things. The day looked like it started with the trend. First, the price dropped down. Then after that, impulse up. Here we had bull range. Not sure if it's enough. It only lasts 2 hours. But we got nice rotation channel, which is good. Background, we don't need background. Middle dot line, red and black. Nice. Okay, so this is our rotation channel. We got few reactions from the bottom of the channel and from the top we have some reactions as well. We might go a little bit lower with the top edge, maybe. I think here we had some more reactions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reactions. Okay, let's leave it like this. Let's leave it like this. And one more thing I want to check before we uh, check where is the first leg, second leg, and stuff like that. First swing, it's over here. Mm, okay, let me just remove those levels. And we're gonna add some extra levels. Level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and level 6. Plus, we're gonna do -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Good. So how this first swing work? Let's check it out. Here we had reaction, few reactions here, reaction here. It is not perfect. Here we had some reactions. Maybe here doesn't look too good. Maybe let's check the second swing. Okay, this is the second swing and no reactions at our levels. So don't worry about that. It's fine. We are in rotation channel and we might have a chance to go up. We're gonna check the first leg. Mm, this impulse is quite nice, but the price didn't break through, didn't actually close. They should stay here under exponential moving average at least 2 candles. After that, they went up and up, so I'm gonna count this impulse as one, okay? Mm, Good. Oh yeah, here is our pullback zone. So that will be our first leg. Remove. The second leg, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. We are on the way to our second leg over here. Take second leg. Okay. So we need to wait actually for the price to get to the second leg. And after we're gonna get here, we might look for sell order for correction, but um, the idea is to get to the second leg, wait for correction, and open position for the third leg. It doesn't mean that if the first leg is done, that we're gonna get to the second leg, to this level. The price actually don't have to get to that level. Let me just check this impulse here. 78.6. No. This measure move. Okay, 17.6 now. Doesn't tell me anything. So if we're gonna get here and we're gonna have reaction, we might have opportunity to go up. We might wait for that. Of course, we might add some extra things like support resistance zone for confirmation. Let me just check where would be our pullback zone if we're gonna stop at this level. It's a little bit lower than our pullback zone. Not sure yet what the price will gonna do, but if we're gonna pass that level, it would be nice to come back here, retest this area, and then to go up again. But we would have to wait for that, and I'm not sure if we got enough time because of the news coming up later. Mm, so the better idea for the trade would be if the price will drop down and we're gonna pass this support resistance zone, we're gonna see breakout of this support line, correction, and we might have a chance to go down. But it's too early to say that. Hmm, not sure if we can find rotation channel somewhere here. Hidden rotation channel. Maybe. I'm not sure about that, but it would be nice to see a situation like this. Breakout, and after we might have a chance to go lower, to go down, at least to this liquidity over here. Yes, but for this situation, we gonna have to wait, unfortunately, and let's leave it for now. This is US 500. We might have a chance to open the trade using different strategy, but we're gonna have to wait as well because that is working between 3 and 5 p.m. Mm, so in about 8, 7 minutes time, maybe after that, we're gonna have some situation, but at this moment, we need to wait. We need to wait. Okay. Oh, last session, I think on Monday morning, internal session, right? Right. Monday, was it the 5th? No, Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday, did we have morning session? I'm not sure. Oh, okay. That was on a different session. All right, don't worry then. I wanted to show you some profits from all-in range strategy, but I think we did it on this on our session on Monday. That was on Tuesday on different session. So don't worry. Okay, so what else can we do on the market? Let's check other assets. Gold is slowly coming back. Actually, you can check out gold because we might have a chance to open the trade. I'm not sure yet. We need to add some other things to the charts. First of all, we need to define what kind of day is it. Is it range day or trend day? Actually, the day started with a small range, big drop down because that drop down was more than 200 pips. It doesn't look like 200, but it's gold, so you know Uh, we got high volatility on this asset. So the rest of the day, we had small range, drop down. Not sure. We might check this area here. Let's check it out. Any rotation channel? Hmm. We did have rotation channel, bullish rotation channel, and we got breakout from that channel. Strong move. One more. Okay. I'm not sure if this is not too tight, you know? Let's check this out. For me personally, everything before today's news is gonna be risky because market might slow down soon till those news. So there is a chance that we're gonna open the order and we're gonna wait till 8 p.m. Uh, for any results. Okay, let's check this range. Come on. A little bit more. Let's leave it like this for now. Mm, I think this area is more interesting. A little bit too tight. And the reactions are not perfect. Not too bad, but reaction here. Let's say here. Here, but this is level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For me, it's too high at this moment. So this range, not really. Let me just check uh, this range over here. Mm, Two reactions, maybe three. Okay, four. Um, 1, 2, 3. Not too many reactions. We got some reactions at our expansions, but they are not perfect as well, so probably not. I don't really like it. We got one, two. No. Let's check something else. 1 hour time frame. Mm. Price is going higher. This impulse is quite interesting, but this is like 300 or even more pips, so yes, a little bit too far. And we got some news coming up, so maybe not the best idea. Trade on it. 1 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame. We had some kind of rotation channel, and the price, you can see, we are on the other side of support line. This is 4 hour time frame, so this is more swing trading than daily trading. But there is a chance that today we're gonna get up here somewhere, maybe to the support resistance zone, or at least to our rotations channel. And after retest, there is a chance we're gonna drop even lower. Okay, but this is more swing trading, and probably we will have to wait for the evening news because during those news, the price might go straight up here and quick retest and then drop down. So I'm gonna look for this opportunity later on. This is 4 hour time frame. You can look for opportunity like from uh, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame. It should be good, but not for this session, unfortunately. But no. Okay, let's go back to US 500. Still nothing, but we're gonna look for something different in this time frame between 3 and 5 p.m. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here, and using a different strategy, we might be able to open the position. Using this strategy, usually take profit is quick, the same as stop loss. Stop loss might be as quick as take profit, but it is more like scalping. So we're gonna come back this uh, to this situation. Anything else? GBP. Let's check GBP. 1 hour time frame. I'm interested in this impulse over here. This is quite nice. Break of structure, and then we are coming back. So we might have opportunity around this area, but we need to look for some confirmations, guys. For some confirmations. Uh, I will need 1 hour time from Monday till now. Okay. I'm looking for high volume edge, but there was no reaction at this level. This is a high volume edge from whole week, starting from Monday. There's no reaction, but a little bit higher we got some imbalance. So we might get to that imbalance, and after we might have our chance. GBP USD. Okay, so we got imbalance over here. Background like this. This is our imbalance. Okay. And in this area, loads of sellers came into the market, and that was in the morning, basically, but it doesn't matter for me now. Uh, After closing this imbalance, here we might see activations of sellers from this area. Also, there is support resistance zone somewhere a little bit lower. I'm gonna add this to the chart. Support resistance zone. So a reaction might be a little bit earlier than I'm thinking about. Here we had the break of structure. Black. Okay. Any liquidity? Liquidity is up here, but I'm only gonna look for this liquidity if the price will get through my point of interest. So this is buy side liquidity. Mm. If we're gonna pass this area, I'm gonna look for trade from here somewhere after grabbing some liquidity. But first stop should be somewhere here. If there's gonna be reaction, there is a chance to open the trade to go down. I think we got some volume red down the bottom, uh, 28900. Style. 28900. Volume red. Okay. This is our volume red. Let's add text to it. Volume red. This is reconstructor. Invoice H1. Inside center. Okay. Support resistance zone. But no inside yet. To the right. Good. So yeah, we got everything on the charts. Here is nice order zone, and we might use it as well. But one more thing, let me just change the color. The supply zone, and if we're gonna get here, we're gonna break through the support resistance zone with no reaction after closing the imbalance. We might see reaction, but if we're gonna have reaction, I would like to see the price to break through the support resistance zone, retest. This might be from 5 minutes time frame. The best way to look for the trade in this area is, for me personally, it's 5 minutes time frame. So after reaction of sellers, I would wait for correction to the support resistance zone, price to close under this area, and my target will be volume reds. 2 to 1 risk ratio. Let me just check something. Short position, yes, short position. Stop loss doesn't have to be big. It can be few pips around the support resistance zone. But if we have space, why not? 281. Okay. Retest, nice candle, and our target. Here, if you're gonna have a chance as a double confirmation, you might use support line. Nice reaction of sellers. It's good if they're gonna leave some imbalance on 5 minutes time frame, wait for correction, and boom, we are good to go. But not sure about these setups today because of this news coming up. So I'm not sure. We might finish. We might see a range in the next few hours. Okay, we might see move like this, and after it can be boom one side or the other side. The plan might be nice, but I'm not sure if it's gonna happen today. I'm gonna save it. Okay, let's go back to US 500. Are you trading anything now? Do you have any positions open? Mhm. Here we don't have situation yet. After getting to measure move, maybe something like this. We're gonna try to use some imbalances, but not yet. Not yet. We got some liquidity up here. I'm mixing now a little bit two strategies, but that's what I do. Buy side liquidity. We got into the area with the liquidity and we can see reaction. We can see reaction. We're gonna have to wait a little bit more. Settings, watermark. Not yet. Not yet, guys. The best situation for me would be like this. Some imbalance, boom, and to go down. Stop loss, first take profit 1 to 1. First take profit 1 to 1. Before we're gonna get the support zone, we should get 2 to 1 already. Short position very quick, few minutes, and it's done. It's done. But we need to wait for the perfect situation. We might have something on maybe to the US 100, maybe better situation. What is the time? Time is okay. It's our time frame. Okay, buy side liquidity. Now reaction would be perfect. Correction, and we are good to go. We can add also exponential moving average, but this can be nice, of course, if we're gonna have reaction of sellers now. We need that reactions basically now because we got into buy side liquidity zone and we need to see reaction. We need to see reaction. Let's check the Dow Jones as well. Indices, Dow Jones. No, nothing special, guys. Nothing special on Dow Jones. Sell side liquidity. So if the price will drop, we're gonna get into liquidity zone. We might have a chance. So basically, in about 14 minutes time, New York session is gonna open, and hopefully we're gonna see some activity. When the New York session is coming into the market, sometimes they are taking some liquidity from Euro session or the latest liquidity. After they grabbing that liquidity, you can expect some reaction sellers or buyers, and that's what we want to use. Um, but another 15 minutes to wait, and maybe another 30 minutes we will have to wait for the price to get to liquidity zone for the reaction. So probably next hour I will watch the market. So I'm not sure if we're gonna stay so long on the session. Mm, Probably not. GBP USD. Uh, this might be nice. This situation here, what I told you about. But it's a bit slow now. Maybe New York session is gonna move the market a little bit, hopefully. Uh, what else? US 500. US 500, same. Might be nice situation. If not from this side, of course, we might have our chance from the bottom. Here we got some liquidity as well, over here and here. So if not this side, we might see some reactions on the other side and might go up. But we need to wait for the price to get to the liquidity zones. Okay, and what else? We were talking about US 100. No reaction at this moment, so not really. And this one might be very nice. So basically, liquidity from here, reaction, and we're going up. That's the plan. Or liquidity on the other side. So the highest point of today. Buy side liquidity. After New York session open, we might see something like this. Reaction, liquidity grab, and we might go down. So basically, you need to watch for some liquidity zones and what's gonna happen after New York session will open. The best is the best situation is when you can find liquidity and open the trade in the same direction as the trend is going. That is the best situation. But it doesn't have to be like this because we are catching only short moves. Short moves, nothing big. It usually 10, 15 minutes and it's done. You got to take profit and that's it. Or stop loss. But yeah, it's working quite nice. So guys, uh, Try to use it. Of course, remember this is not signal providing session, but you can practice some of these setups on demo account. Uh, Always read disclaimer under the video, that is very important. But yeah, but you can practice on demo account, why not? So try to use some liquidity zones after 2:30 when New York session is open, and see what's gonna happen in liquidity zones. If you're gonna see buyers or sellers, you can try to join join them. Okay, guys, we're gonna finish for today. No position, but that is okay. Probably I won't trade. Maybe I'm gonna make one trade on one of these US 100, US 30, no, US 30, 100, no, Dow Jones, US 500, maybe GBP USD. I will choose one of these assets, and if the situation is gonna be nice, like I said, uh, maybe with half percent of risk, I will open the trade. But basically, I would rather not to trade. I usually hold till the evening to see what's gonna happen during high impact news. Okay, guys, thank you for your attention today. I will see you next week. Next week on Tuesday. On Monday morning, we won't have any session because we got holiday here. So on Tuesday, we are coming back on YouTube session. So, guys, thank you for today. Be careful later on. Good luck, and I will see you Tuesday. Take care.